Hello, React developers. Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on state management in React using Zustand. Now, you might be wondering, why should you care about Zustand? Well, as your React applications grow, managing state can become a real headache. Zustand offers a sleek, efficient way to handle state without the boilerplate of larger libraries like Redux. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to create scalable, performance-optimized applications using Zustand. Not only will we dive deep into the core concepts, but we'll also explore real-world applications, best practices, and even some debugging strategies. So stick around, and don't forget to subscribe for more high-quality tutorials that keep you at the cutting edge of React development. Let's start by understanding why state management is crucial in React. Imagine your application as a complex organism, with state being the nervous system. It coordinates how different parts of your application interact. As applications grow, using React's built-in state management with hooks like useState or useReducer can become cumbersome. Zustand, a minimalistic state management library, steps in here to save the day. It provides a simple API to manage global state efficiently, without the need for extensive setup or context providers. Think of Zustand as a well-organized toolbox, offering everything you need to manage state with minimal fuss. Its architecture centers around a central store, which can be accessed and updated using Zustand's hooks, making it both flexible and powerful for scalable applications. Let's dive into some code to see Zustand in action. We'll set up a basic application that uses Zustand for state management. First, ensure you have your React environment ready. Now, let's look at how to create a store using Zustand. In our file, we'll define a store with a simple counter and actions to increase or decrease its value. This file will illustrate how easy it is to set up and manipulate state with Zustand. You'll see how we import create from Zustand and use it to manage our state seamlessly. Now, let's see the application in action. Imagine launching a web page where you immediately see a title, Zustand Scalable Application, and a subtitle, Counter. You start with a current count displayed as 0. You click on the Increase button, and the count smoothly updates to 1, showcasing the real-time state management by Zustand. Next, you hit the Decrease button, and the count goes back to 0. This seamless interaction underscores Zustand's capability to handle state efficiently, even as the application scales. The UI remains responsive and fluid, highlighting how Zustand minimizes unnecessary re-renders and enhances performance. This demonstration mirrors the practical application of Zustand in real-world scenarios. And there you have it, a deep dive into using Zustand for state management in React applications. Zustand's simplicity and efficiency make it an excellent choice for developers aiming to build scalable and maintainable applications. By incorporating Zustand, you ensure your app remains performant and easy to manage, even as it grows in complexity. As you continue on your React journey, remember that mastering tools like Zustand can drastically improve your development process and the end-user experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated with the latest in React development and have access to real-world examples that can accelerate your learning curve. Thanks for watching and happy coding.